In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add customer details in Shopify. This essential task is a piece of the puzzle in managing your online business effectively. So, let's jump right into it and make your customer management process seamless and efficient. First, we're going to navigate to the main dashboard of your Shopify account, where you manage all aspects of your online store. You'll notice a menu on the left-hand side. Here, you're going to click on Customers. This will take you to the area where all your customer data lives. The Customers section is your hub for accessing information about your buyers and organizing it in a way that augments your business strategy. Once you've accessed the Customers page, look for the option that says Add Customer. Clicking on this will open up a new window or a form where you'll enter specific details about your customer. This is an incredibly important step because having accurate customer information can significantly benefit your sales strategy and service quality. Now, let's get into filling out this form. Start with the basics. Enter your customer's name. This sounds simple, but ensuring correct spelling and full names can help in ensuring that communications are personable and professional. After the name, you'll proceed to input their contact details. This includes their email address and phone numbers. These are crucial pieces of information for follow-ups, marketing communications, and service inquiries. Moving on, you have the opportunity to enter their default address. The default address is particularly useful when it comes to shipping products or if you need to send any direct mailers. Ensure every field, such as the street address, city, state, and postal code, is correctly filled in to avoid any shipping mishaps. Next, let's talk about tax details. Depending on your customer's location, different tax rules might apply. This section allows you to input the necessary tax information, which can automate part of the sales process, especially when it comes time to fulfill orders and generate invoices. Additionally, Shopify provides the option to add notes and tags. While these are optional, they can be extremely helpful for organizing and segmenting your customer base. For example, you can add tags like VIP or newsletter subscriber, which can help tailor marketing efforts in the future. Notes can be useful to jot down customer preferences or special requests, creating a personalized shopping experience that keeps customers coming back. And there you have it. That's all there is to adding customer details in Shopify. This simple yet comprehensive approach to entering customer information ensures better management and makes a world of difference in how you interact with your customers. Thank you for watching, and happy selling on Shopify.